Today we are going to learn how to change superlative degree to comparative degree form. First of all, we should know three degree forms of adjective in positive degree, comparative degree and in superlative degree form. Let's see some example. Tall, taller, tallest. Good, better, best. Rich, richer, richest. High, higher, highest. These are the three degree forms of adjective. First of all, we have to find out in which degree form the sentence is from the given adjective. First of all, see some examples. How to change superlative to comparative degree. Sneha is the tallest girl in her class. Sneha is the tallest girl in her class. In this sentence, the tallest, there is article before the superlative degree form of the adjective. Est is the superlative degree form of adjective and we have to change into comparative, that is we use taller. Sneha is sentence as it is आहे तशी सुरुवात करायची आहे. स्नेहा इज तशीच सुरुवात करायची, काही चेंज नाही करता, टेन्स तोच ठेवायचा आहे. स्नेहा इज टॉलेस्ट चा कंपॅरेटिव्ह फॉर्म काय टॉलर. कंपॅरेटिव्ह डिग्री वापरताना आपल्याला टॉलर वापरायचं आहे. स्नेहा इज टॉलर. द आर्टिकल आपल्याला रिमूव्ह करायचं आहे कारण ते सुपरलेटिव्हच्या डिग्रीच्या फॉर्म पुढे असतं, ते आपल्याला रिमूव्ह करायचं आहे. आणि आफ्टर ॲडजेक्टिव्ह we use than any other and remaining part of the sentence after that. Girl in her class. Sneha is tallest काय केले आपण taller. The remove केला आहे आणि after adjective in comparative form we use than any other and remaining part of the sentence we have to write after that. Girl in her class. Sujata is taller than any other girl in the class. Next is honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. Best is superlative degree form of the good. Good, better, best. We have to use better instead of best in comparative degree. Honesty is sentence as is it. Honesty is टेन्स आहे तोच वापरला इज. बेस्ट कंपॅरेटिव्ह डिग्री फॉर्म इज बेटर. द वी हॅव टू रिमूव्ह. द रिमूव्ह करायचं आर्टिकल सुपरलेटिव्ह डिग्री पुढचं असतं ते. बेटर. आफ्टर ॲडजेक्टिव्ह वी यूज दॅन एनी अदर. रिमेनिंग पार्ट इज पॉलिसी. राईट, पॉलिसी. ऑनेस्टी इज बेटर दॅन एनी अदर पॉलिसी. अमेरिका इज द रिचेस्ट कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड. अमेरिका इज richest country in the world. America is the remove करायचा आहे. richest after est it is superlative degree form, we have to change it to comparative means richer. We have to use richer. America is richer. After that than any other. Remaining part country in the world. America is richer than any other country in the world. Next sentence, the Mount Everest is the highest peak in the Himalayas. The Mount Everest is the highest. It is superlative degree form, we have to change it to comparative, that is higher. We have to remove the from the sentence. The Mount Everest is sentence ची सुरुवात आहे तशीच केलेली आहे. टेन्स as it is तोच वापरलेला आहे. The remove केला आहे. higher ची comparative form higher. After adjective than any other. Remaining part after adjective तो write करायचा आहे. Peak in the Himalayas. Okay. The Mount Everest is higher than any other peak in the Himalayas. Okay. Next thing, rose is the most attractive flower. In this sentence, attractive is adjective, but here in superlative degree form est suffix is not there. Instead of there is the most before adjective attractive. While changing this sentence, while changing into comparative form, sentence ची सुरुवात as it is करायची आहे. rose is the we have to remove. The most we have to remove. Instead of most, we use more in comparative form. More attractive. After adjective, we use than any other. Than any other, and remaining part at the end. Flower. Rose is more attractive than any other flower. Rose is more attractive than any other flower. Next, Rupa is the most beautiful girl in the college. Rupa is the most beautiful girl in the college. In this sentence, beautiful is adjective. Here, before beautiful, there is a the most. We have to remove it, and instead of the most, we have to remove only more. The have removed. Rupa is more beautiful after adjective than any other. Than any other. And the remaining part at last. Than any other girl in the college. In the college. Rupa is more beautiful than any other girl in the college. Next, cricket is the most favorite game in India. Cricket is the most favorite game in India. Similarly, we have to change it into comparative. Cricket is stays as it is. The remove करायचे आपल्याला. Most ऐवजी more write करायचे and favorite आहे तसंच दिलंय. Cricket is more favorite. After that, than any other. Than any other game in India. Game in India. Cricket is most favorite. Cricket is more favorite game in India. त्याऐवजी cricket is more favorite than any other game in India.